We are certainly more prepared than we were 3 years ago. There are more high water, for example, rescue teams. There's much more equipment that existed last time around.
This is a major hurricane that could threaten our Texas coast, and we're doing everything we possibly can to prepare for it.
I feel like before you get a little bit scared, but now it's you get used to it, and then don't get panic, you know, because it's not good. With all the COVID and everything, we are already like taking it easier in life.
I've always said our strategy should never be to hope for the best. We don't have the luxury of time, so the time to prepare is right now.
We've had at least 30 looking for a place to put their boats. We cannot accommodate them.
Searching around, I've called all the marinas where I've been hauled out of the water before. They don't have any room.
Just worry about, you know, just contaminated water, worried about the electricity. How long is the electricity going to go out if it goes out?
By 2025, millennials will dominate the workforce. Driven by social responsibility and environmental issues, this powerful consumer demographic is transforming